Hello, dear student. It's a very good part now to discuss again the second part of pronoun. We have discussed in the first part of the pronoun. Now today we will discuss the second part of pronoun. Now remember, dear student, in the first part we have discussed the very important point which are important while using the pronoun. Because if you do not know the gender, we have talked about gender. Masculine gender, feminine gender, neuter gender and common gender. These four genders are very much important when you are going to use pronoun. Okay, when you use this pronoun, at that time you must know which gender is used, because on that basis the pronoun will be used. That one point is important. Now today we will focus on the second part, which is also very important while changing pronoun. When you want to replace the noun with pronoun, the second step is also very much important. Let's go for this, which the second step is important for the pronoun. Now see this, it is number of noun, correct? The number of noun. Number means what here? The singular or a plural noun. So noun can be singular, noun can be plural. Example, like if I say the book. Now the book is what here? Singular noun. But when you say the books become plural noun. When you talk about the very important thing now, which are the nouns here? Singular or plural? And why we need to keep in mind while changing it? While changing the pronoun. Now very first we have singular pronoun. Singular pronouns are I, he, she and it. Now these singular pronouns are used with singular noun only. Example, like if I use myself, then I will use I and singular. If I want to take somebody's name, like suppose Ravi I have taken, then Ravi will be replaced with he. That is again singular. She is also singular, you can take any name, and it can be anything, mobile as well. So it is also a singular pronoun. Just make a note of this. Next point we have plural pronoun. Now plural pronouns are used like you, we and they when the noun is plural. Example, like when I say we means what here? We means we are many people here. I and you. When we all are standing, we say that we are there. So we is referring to plural noun. As well, they also talk about the people. It can be talking about many people who are standing there. So they is also example of plural noun. Okay, make a note of this. Then let's see. Singular noun needs a singular pronoun. A very good point actually. If you have a singular noun, see, if you have the singular noun and if you are using plural pronoun, that won't be correct matching. So you must have to keep in mind that when you use pronoun for singular noun, it must be a singular pronoun as well. Look at the example here. Rocky is a kind boy. Now here Rocky is what? It's just a singular noun. When Rocky is singular noun, we have to use singular pronoun also. So he, masculine gender, he is he. So for that we have to use he. So he is what here? He is singular pronoun. Let's talk about next example, next type. Plural noun. Plural noun needs a plural pronoun. Example, like Sita and Geeta are my friends. Now Sita and Geeta are plural forms here. Because of that purpose, we have to use plural pronoun, that is they. Remember this, Sita and Geeta, they are two nouns, so they becomes plural. More than one they are. Because of that purpose, we have to use plural pronoun, and that is they. Must remember, dear student, if the noun is singular, use this singular pronoun. If noun is plural, use this plural pronoun. Otherwise, the particular meaning of the verb will not be correct. You may get confused in it. Okay, so that's the point to keep in mind. Let's go for exercise now. We have discussed pronoun, how to use it, where to use it. Now let's solve the worksheet. Let's solve the exercise. I have taken some of the examples here from grammar book only to just make you clear about pronouns. Now see the first example here. Rima, look at the hill in the distance. Full stop. The same sentence I am continuing here. Rima wanted to climb the hill. Now here the underlined word Rima is proper noun I'm not repeating the word Rima again. So if I want to remove this word Rima, what I will use? Yes, correct. I have to use here she, because that is she is a girl, and for that purpose I have to use the pronoun she. Is that clear? Because I have to avoid the repetition of the name Rima. For that purpose the pronouns are used basically, and here on the place of Rima I will be using she here. Next, number second, two example. Jim wanted to play, so Jim looked for his bat and ball. Now here Jim is the noun that is repeated. Example of proper noun is repeated here. So we'll remove the Jim, and on the place of Jim we'll be using the pronoun. Now when you use pronoun at time, which pronoun will come? Yes, exactly correct. We use the pronoun he. So on the place of Jim we'll use he. That is the example again, masculine gender. Okay, very important. Number third, you check now. The bird flew to its nest. The bird wanted to feed its young ones. Now here the bird and the bird. Okay, the bird is the noun that is repeated here. So if I want to remove the bird, I will use it. Example of, again, when we talk about animal we refer to the it. Okay, example of common gender, and for that purpose we use here example it. Okay, now when we talk about the next example, number 4, the teacher told her student that the student must listen carefully. Now here her student and the student word is repeated, the noun is repeated here. For that purpose student word will avoid it, will not use again. So on that place what should I use it? So on that place I will use they, because student is not one, it's a plural noun and it's a common noun as well. When it is a plural noun, for that purpose I will use they. Getting it? So dear student, the very important part here for the pronoun is you must have to remember the gender of the particular noun. You must have to remember the number of it, it is singular or plural. After checking that, then only you can use the particular pronoun. It will become very easy for you after practicing some of the example. I hope the chapter number 3 pronoun, the part 1 is clear for all of you, and the doubts if we have about any, I think the doubts are clear here about the pronoun, and that's what we can learn from this video. Thank you so much, dear student.